Okay, guys, this again is take two. I do not know what is going on with my camera, but I wanted to show you what your packages look like. Stephanie did tell me that they were each a little bit different. She even included bags if I wanted to open these and show you each one, but I'm not going to do that because I don't think I can make them look this pretty if I rewrap them. So I'm not going to open each individual one, just so you can have some element of surprise as well. And this one is for Dana. So Dana, this one is yours. That's what it looks like. Oh, how pretty. So here is Dana's, and this one is for Julia, and hers looks to be in the yellow family. So she has included some goodies in there for you guys. Julia, this one's yours. And again, I have unwrapped mine because this is take two. So here we go. So here is mine, and look, she even included the extra bags for me to rewrap the other ones in, but I'm not going to do that. And then she did include, these were loose in the box, Stephanie. I don't remember. I know you said something in an email, but I don't remember what it was. So this package has some lemons and some drinks, some little dangles, some strawberries, and these are so cute. And then it has some zippered bags, and it's got 5 bags in there. I think they're from Daiso, and these are really cute. So I'll have to go back and read the email and see what you say about that. If it's not in the email, I'll get in touch with you and see what you wanted me to do with them. So mine was wrapped in this really pretty summer beach themed scarf, and here's the scarf. Very pretty, very colorful. Thank you, Stephanie. And I wanted to show you my tag. That way you'll know that was my package. And then she included some colored pencils and some pens here. Here we go. Very colorful. Fits the theme very well. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you including me. And then she has sent us some napkins, and this one has the sun and the wave. Very pretty. And then this one has, they look like little stamps, and it's got, all the summer themed stamps on there. So very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. She has included some felt palm leaves, and these are in green. Very pretty, great for embellishments. She has included also this is a wooden piece, the little summer flip-flops. Those are so cute. And then she has included her 2 tags. And this one says summer. This one has a sun. She's embellished this one really cute. I love the way that turned out. She's got a sandcastle and a palm tree. That's her first tag. Her second tag has I think that, to me, that looks like a sunburst with the chair and the surfboard and some flowers. And this is what the back looks like. Beautiful trim on the top. That's really pretty. I love that color. And she has also included a notebook with all the palm trees. It's got foiling on it. And this is a cute little notebook. I really like this notebook. I like that notebook. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. And here is some foam tape for our projects. Thank you, ma'am. And then she has included an embellishment box, guys. So let's go through the embellishment box. So in the box, she's got some gold clothespins. Those are so cute. I don't know that I've seen the gold ones, but there's some gold clothespins. Here are some lobster clasps a large one in purple, and then this pretty green one. And she's got some, let me move this so you can see that a little bit better. And then she's got some garment pins. She's got some bottle caps in various colors. Very pretty. I can use these with the wax seals. Very, very pretty. I like those. And then she's got this fun tube confetti in this really pretty, beautiful blue color. She's got some beads right here, which are beautiful, beautiful for summer. She's got some pearl beads. She's got, look at these beads, guys. Look at this great big one. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. She's got the starfish. She's got a shell. She's got beautiful little dolphin there. She's got this other round one, very pretty. These are glass. This one's glass. I think this one is too. And then she's got an anchor right there. And then she has got this beautiful blue one. Very pretty. Thank you, Stephanie. I appreciate that. And then she's got other ones right here. But look at this one, guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And it's got some shells, some starfish, some round beads. Very pretty. And then she's got a sequin mix over here. It's got some dewdrops and some fish. This is so pretty. Here are the other fish. So cute. Let me see. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Some green, pink, iridescent. Very pretty. Thank you, Stephanie. I like that mix. She's got some twine here. And then she's got some stickers here. These are puffy stickers. And look at these cute little mermaids. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then here's this little sassy one. Oh my gosh, I love those. Those are so adorable. So she's got those in there along with the beautiful little fish here. Thank you so much for the sequin or for the embellishment box, Stephanie. I love that. That's so pretty. I just love the colors. And then we have her summer brag book. Again, with this beautiful sunburst. She's got a palm tree here on the side and the umbrella. Now, I don't know if she made this, but it is filled with glitter. And that is so pretty. Oh, I like that. We could play with that all day, couldn't we? So she's got that umbrella with the glitter in it. She's got a bottle of suntan lotion. I just love the way you did this. What is that? Is that sand? I don't know if that was like that. Is that sandpaper? No, it doesn't look like sandpaper. Anyway, this is so cute. I love the way you did this. So I don't know if the paper came like that, guys, or she textured it like that, but that is so pretty. That is so, so pretty. Love that. Thank you, Stephanie. And this is the back, and she has included a garment pin with a dangle on it. And look how pretty this dangle is, guys. It's got a starfish. Look at this. It's got an umbrella with the chair. It's got white beads on there. Here is one. Here's a shell with the pearl in the center, a dolphin. This flip-flop is so cute. She's got an anchor. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Well, thank you, Stephanie. I like that. That's so pretty. So opening up her brag book, she's got her belly band here with assorted stickers, and she's got her mats here. This mat has this cute little girl here on the side. She's got the tube, her little hat on the side. And this is her second mat, summertime with the flip-flops. She's decorated both sides. Very pretty. Okay, and this is her first page. She's got that pretty sun here. And I'm sure you can tuck something up in there because it's, yeah. Okay, she's got this beautiful sun here. This is her first page. This is her second page. Cute little swimsuit there, flip-flops on the page, hats. That's so pretty. And this one's a tuck spot. It says hello sunshine on that page. I wonder if you can, yeah, you can tuck something under the first one as well. So that's a little tuck spot. And then this page, this says relax and unwind, get into a summer state of mind. Cute little flip-flops. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they've got little, they're like a satiny material on the top of the flip-flop. That's so cute. And this one is a tuck spot as well. You can tuck something up in there or under there. And then she did the same technique on this one. I wonder if, yeah, see, I don't know what this is. It might be, it might actually be sandpaper. Such a clever idea. And then she's got her two mats in there. She's got one with a beautiful blue mirrored cardstock, and here is the another one. This is at the beach, and she has decorated both sides. She's matted both sides. I just love that sun. And there you go. It tucks right back in there. And that is her summer brag book. That's so cute. What a clever idea. Oh my gosh, I love it. Stephanie, thank you so much for including me. I appreciate everything that you've sent. Ladies, I appreciate your hard work. I appreciate your participation. And I appreciate you including me. All right, ladies, thank you so much. I will talk to everyone later. Thanks a lot, guys.